Hey guys, it's Chris. In this video, we'll check out Unior's specific wrench for Shimano Hollowtech II compression bolts. Okay, let's dig into it. Shimano type external bottom bracket cranksets are adjusted using a compression bolt, which pushes the left crank arm towards the crankset. Unior's Shimano compression bolt tool is made of hardened and tempered special tool steel and is chrome-plated to comply with EN 12540. On the back of the tool, it features a magnet to store it on your favorite Unior's external bottom bracket wrench. Unior's compression bolt tool can be used with a 13mm flat wrench to facilitate removal and installation. Okay, plenty of the good things about that small wrench. If you have any questions about Unior's specific wrench for Shimano Hollowtech II compression bolts, feel free to contact us or your local dealer and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.